keto friends, Chef Michael here. Just wanted to give everyone a quick keto cooking tip. Something that I really like to do at home is I like to make a list with 3 things on it. I like to make a list of different proteins that I like, different vegetables that I like to have in the house, and then different cooking fats like coconut oil, butter, ghee, olive oil, etc. in another set of lists. So I'll bring this list with me to the grocery store and buy from this list. So I always have some proteins, some veg, and some different cooking oils in the house. Then when I want to make an Italian meal, for instance, I'll pick a protein, pick a veg, pick an oil, and I'll add some garlic and lemon juice and maybe some fresh herbs. If I want to do Mexican, I'll add some cumin and paprika. And if I want to do Asian, I'll add some soy sauce, some ginger, and a little bit of hot pepper. I hope that helps everyone. Thanks for listening. Keto on.